There are not enough signage on our roads, and where there are bumps, a lot of them are not marked, and we also need some rumble bumps, those small rumble strips as you approach a bump, so that vehicles can be able to slow down. Because a lot of these accidents, if you look at them, this one and the one happened in Sidindi, if there were bumps at the right place, which are clearly marked, and then rumble strips, maybe we can avoid a lot of these tragedies. But this has happened, we've got to deal with it, and soon as a leadership, even at a personal level, we are going to announce what type of contributions we can make, materially or otherwise.